Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Dodge Charger. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, heated front and rear seats, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.